it is. Now, this was a little trickier. I'll give you easy things to, make this okay. So we would do this thing. Just a moment. Ich komme zurück in 1 Minute and then we can diskutieren. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then let's make it exercise to make you understand this better. Yeah. Because until and unless you do an exercise, the thing doesn't come. Yeah. So let's open page number. Mm, okay. You have to open. Oh God, they have given such horrible things. Why do they do that? Nine pronoun we have not done so far. How can I fix pronoun? Okay, yeah. Sorry, I didn't see the page 139. 139. Page number 139 Exercise-Book. Arbeitsbuch bitte. Und machen Sie 4a. So you have to use
Hey,
demonstrative
to my home.
pronoun. Yeah, sorry, what's Ashwin?
Sorry, someone else.
Yeah, 139 page number 139. 4a. There are 6 questions given here. And for all the 6 questions, you have to say which one, this one, which one, this one, which one, this one. So for which this, you have to use the correct endings. Yeah. For example, the first one, Zimal, look here. The yaka is dog tall. So for which noun we going to use the pronoun here, Sana? For which noun we're going to use the pronoun? Welsh and these. What is a noun for which we are using Welsh and these? Which and this? In the first sentence, Seema, the yaka is tall. Yeah. किसके लिए pronoun use करेंगे हम अगर मुझे बोलना है which one and this one?
Ma'am, the yaka.
The yaka. So the yaka. So if it's a feminine word, so what should be the answer? As answer is there, Welsha and Deezer. So as you know, feminine nominative, demonstrative article is Welsha, and feminine nominative article for Deezer is Deezer. That's why it's Deezer. Now we gefällt their rock. What it should be, Ashwin? We gefällt their rock. For rock, which one should we use? Welsher, Welsher?
Welsher.
Welsher. And for Deezer and Deezer?
These it will be Welsher. These will be Welshes.
One moment. For Welsher, it would be Welsher. And for Deezer, it would be what? Deezer or Deezer? For number second.
For the rock.
Yeah, it's a masculine word.
Deezer.
Deezer. Good. Good. So arrange the next 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can make the exercise a little trickier. We can do a little tricky exercise. The next one is a bit trickier. So do this first. It's an easy one, and then we would do the tough one. Teaser. You see the noun for which you are using the demonstrative pronoun. If it's a feminine word, you would be using Deezer or Welsher. But if it's a masculine noun, then you have to check for that as an accusative or nominative. For nominative, it is Welsher, Deezer. For accusative, it is Welschen and Diesen. So you need to understand the sentence. Lass es mich wissen, wenn Sie schon das gemacht haben. Let me know when you're done. No, I don't need it right now. Keep it by my phone. Yeah, shall we discuss? Okay, so let's get away with it. The 130, 900, yeah, 930. So, Revati, bitte lesen Sie Nummer 3.
Welche diese,
Die Schuhe.
die
Lesen Sie
Schuhe,
den Satz. Lesen Sie den Satz first, then say welchen and diesen, whatever the answer is.
die Schuhe sind schrecklich.
Uh-huh.
So, welche diese.
Yeah, Schuhe. Die Schuhe, it's a
Die
plural.
Schuhe.
It's a plural word. So plural, welche and diese. Very good. Okay, then Nummer 4, Sana.
Wie findest du den Pullover? Welchen und diesen?
Yeah, we findest do den pullover. So the pullover is a object here because do is the subject. So when the object is in like it's an accusative, then we have to use the accusative demonstrative article pronoun. That's welchen and diesen, right? Then Nummer 4, Fashman. Nummer 4, Fashman.
Yeah. Wait a second. Which is number
Yeah.
5?
Funes, bitte.
Actually, I lost the page.
C. 139. Exercise book.
Course book.
9. Exercise book, Ashwin.
Question number 5.
Question number 4a, Funes.
Ja.
4a and Funes.
Sie mal das Kleid ist super. Welches? Dieses.
Okay, last one. Revati.
Dieses.
Yeah, lesen Sie den Satz. Read the sentence first.
The fifth.
Sixth one.
Ich nehme die Stiefel. The answer is welche and diese.
Okay, welche and diese. Now, the words that you have here, Jacke is jacket, rock is skirt, pullover, shoe is shoes. Pullover, we say pullover is like a sweater, a less, I would say patla, like we have a thin sweater. For them, pullover is like a sweater. So they are like sometimes it's somehow similar. Clyde is dress, I told you, and then Stiefel. Stiefel is boots. Boots. And it's a plural noun in German. Boots. Boot is, it can be never one. Ek boot nahi hota, it's boots, always in plural. So Stiefel is plural now. Okay, then. This one was easier because you just had to put the correct, because the answer was already given to you. Now, we're gonna do the B one, wherein you have to put the answer, right? Like you have to put the ending. Depending upon the sentence is accusative, nominative. That you have to understand, then only you'll be able to put the ending.